In the last video, we saw the real-life case studies focused on trademarks. In Lijjat Papad case, we saw that because of trademark and brand building, the hard-earned reputation was protected, because of which the business edge survived, leading to employment and empowerment of many women in India. In other two cases, namely Starbucks and Dettol, we saw that deceptively similar marks resulted in an injunction. Hence, trademark protects the brand reputation and helps maintain the competitive advantage in the market. In this video, we will look at another method of protecting innovation, that is design. Whenever we are out to buy any kind of product, like any consumer electronics products or even toys, what do we look at? Functionality or technical specifications? We also know from earlier videos how is functionality of a product or a process protected. And then what do we consider? Brands. We have already seen in earlier videos about brand protection. What is the next thing that we look for? It's aesthetics, overall look, design, appearance. Now this appearance has nothing to do with the functionality. However, we pay attention to its overall getup, be it smartphone, laptop, washing machine or cars. We want not only a technically strong product but also a good looking product. Now this aesthetic feature or an ornamental appearance or design is protected by industrial design registration. Now let us look at the requirements for an industrial design registration. The requirements are: it must be original and new. It must have features represented by shapes, patterns, configuration, ornamentation applied or that can be applied to an article. It should not include trademark, property marks or artistic works, and design must be appreciated by eyes. Let us see, why does it make sense to register the designs? Or in other words, one may ask, what value does it bring to the table? The answer is simple. Just recollect how many times have you bought the same product just because it looks good. If you have a good design and you have registered it, you have a competitive edge because you have blocked out your competitors. Design exclusivity certainly leads to more profitability in the competitive market among relevant offerings. There have been cases where aesthetically better designs have led to overall higher valuations of the company. Just like patents can be licensed, the designs can be licensed too for a royalty. Protection from imitation brings in more creativity and greater quantity of aesthetics in the competitive landscape. Now let us quickly recap what we have learned today. Non-functional aesthetic features, patterns, configuration, shape can be protected by designs. Design registration protects from imitation, thus leading to better return on investments. Protection of design innovation motivates in creating more aesthetic designs. In the next video, let us look at case studies focused on designs. Thank you.